Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. Our client assigned a new task. This is the assignment of financial accounting. The title of assignment is Shelly Cashman, Excel 2019, Module 6, SAM Critical Thinking Project 1C. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. This assignment is divided into multiple steps. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. 1. Setup. Open the file and save it with your name. Ensure your name is in cell B6. 2. Create tables. Format completed projects as a table named Completed Projects with Funding. $10,000 filter. Add a new record for Orchid Drive project in Current Projects. 3. Sort and filter. Sort current projects by funding. Use advanced filtering to list projects in and not in development. 4. Handle duplicates. Use conditional formatting to find and delete duplicate records in proposed projects.
5. Analysis and calculations. Add a column to identify fast-track projects in proposed projects. Apply formulas to analyze project types and funding amounts. 6. Summary tables. Insert a summary table for previous year's projects on proposed projects. 7. Data manipulation. Sort funding. Totals by type and date. Calculate subtotals for each funding type. 8. Lookup and metrics. Utilize index, match for project lookup, and functions like DC count and daverage for additional metrics. If you need our help, we provide 2 types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have, but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it, using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 730 9655 268 or log in to our website, helpinhomework.org, and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.